Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI MatePad Pro and I'm going to show you how to turn on and turn off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here, and now we are in the standard photo mode. So to get access to the more advanced settings we have to go to the left here and tap on this. And as you can see, here we are in the camera settings, and in the general settings we have the location tag. So by tapping on this simply like that, we can turn on and turn off the camera location tags. And when we want to keep turning it on and save our location, the important thing is that to make it work we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and have turned on the location of this device here. And now I'm going to take a picture to show you how it looks like. And we go to the preview here, and to get access to the location info we just simply slide up. And as you can see here we have our location, so greetings from Krakow. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.